I don't only care about how you smell, but how your space, your house, and everything about you smell as well. So in today's video, I am going to be concentrating on how you can make your space smell nice, how you can make your space smell fantastic, be it your room, your sitting room, your kitchen, your restroom. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gloria. If this is the kind of content you want to see, please watch this video to the very end. You might learn a thing or two. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. First, I would like to start with the kitchen. Okay, for you to make your space smell nice, for you to make your kitchen smell nice, the first thing to always do is to clean out the kitchen. Always try as much as you can to regularly clean your kitchen, clean the kitchen floor, the sink, the tabletop and everywhere else. Try as much as possible to always clean your kitchen. That is the one simple trick you can do to enhance the smell of your kitchen. All right, second thing to always do is to open the window of your kitchen. Okay, let air get into the kitchen. Open the kitchen, let the old air in the kitchen get out more, so fresh air can come into the kitchen. That way you're regulating the air in your kitchen. And third, one thing is like a hack, a trick or a hack, if I may say, that I normally do. It works like magic. If you have coffee, normal coffee that we take, you have coffee or you have baking soda, or a lot of people use baking soda. For those who know this trick, you can use baking soda. There was a time I ran out of baking soda. I decided to try baking powder and it worked as well. Okay, so you have, there's no need to talk too much, let me show you. So you have like a jar like this. You fill this with either coffee or baking powder or baking soda. What I have here is baking soda. So you open it up and just put it on your table counter in the kitchen, and just leave it open. It helps to absorb all the smell. And when I say smell, I don't mean your kitchen is smelling. When you have cooked different kinds of food, delicacies, our Nigerian food that has a very peculiar smell, when you're done cooking all of this good stuff, you need all the air to get out. You don't need everyone that comes in your house to know that you have made one particular kind of food. Okay, so just open this jar up and just leave it in your kitchen. It will just absorb all of the all of the unpleasant smell. Okay, and there's another trick that I would like to tell you. If you know it, I'm bringing it to your remembrance. If you don't know it, I'm bringing it to you so you can know it. Okay, yes, I use this trick once in a while, to light up the smell in my house. Okay, now pour in some water in a pot, add in some slices of oranges, some slices of lemon, cinnamon stick, 1-2 will do, 1 or 2 sticks will do. You need some cloves, like 6-7 pieces, 8-10 pieces of clove. All right, add a little bit of vanilla essence or extract, whichever one you can lay your hands on, and boil all of this. After boiling, then reduce the heat, let it just simmer, and it will give your whole kitchen, your whole house, this very pleasant smell, and everybody will walk in your house and your house smells so good. You can do this if you're expecting a guest or some guest, or you know what I mean. Okay, that's another tip. Another tip will be using scented candle, diffuser, essential oil, and all of those good stuff. Okay, but first I will start with using a diffuser. This is like a diffuser. This is just like a sample to show you, for those of you who don't know what a diffuser is. Okay, this is a diffuser. You can just have this, but you can get this anywhere. You can get it in a store, supermarkets near you. Just go and say you want to buy a diffuser. I'm sure they'll have one or two, and then you can buy what you like, the smell you like. Okay, so you can have this like in your sitting room. Okay, you can have this in your sitting room. This, now I'm talking about the sitting room. You can have this in your sitting room, like anywhere you want it in your sitting room. You can have it in your room as well. Anywhere you want in your house, you can have this sitting on the table in your house. Okay, you can also use scented candles to light up the smell in your house. Okay, I love vanilla flavor in everything. I love vanilla perfumes, scented candles, ice cream, anything vanilla. It tickles my fancy. Yes. Okay, so this is vanilla. This smells nice. And this one as well, this is cinnamon spice. This is also a scented candle. I mostly use scented candles at night because it helps relax your muscles. It gives this illusion that, okay, I'm approaching bedtime. Okay, so it makes your body relax and everything. You're in the mood to sleep, in the mood to rest for the night, you know what I mean. Okay, that's when I like to use the scented candle, be it in the sitting room or in the room. I mostly like to use this in the room. Okay, it makes the room more cozy, more relaxing, for bedtime. But what I like to use in the sitting room is I like to use a humidifier. This is a humidifier. Oh, this is a humidifier, comes with a cable. Okay, what I usually do is I fill it with some water. Okay, and then I drop in some essential oil, some drops of essential oil. This one is tea tree oil. I have tea tree oil. Then I have this. So it depends on. I have this one. This one is peppermint. I have different types of essential oil depending on the mood I'm trying to achieve on a particular day. Sometimes I can just mix all of this essential oil together to give me a very peculiar scent. I'm out of lavender. I love lavender essential oil, but I'm out of that. I will have to restock. Okay, what I'm trying to say is get any essential oil of your choice, and add it to the water in the humidifier and plug it to a socket and on it, and it will just release its scented moisture into the air. For the bathroom is like the major place I like to make sure it's not smelling awful or smelling funny at any time. And what I do to ensure this is I like to use fabric softener. I like to use fabric softener to make my restroom, my bathroom smell nice. Ask me how. I'll just open up the WC, pour in a little bit of the fabric softener and flush. Like, I don't know, for every flush it releases like a very pleasant smell into the restroom. Like the whole place is smelling nice for every time I flush my restroom. This is a trick, a hack I do. I'm just bringing it to you. You can try it and see if it works for you. Okay, if you don't know what a fabric softener is, I'll put a picture of it on the screen, either here or here, so just check it out. Okay, and for making my toilet smell nice as well, there's something I always like to do. I always like to have some of these cutting boards or cutting ball, you know, have my perfume oil, the one, if you have any perfume that you're no longer using, or you no longer like the smell of the perfume on your skin, or you're just fed up of the perfume, you don't want to use it anymore, you can just make use of it in another way. Okay, get yourself some cotton balls like this, and then just apply, and then just, you know, apply a little bit of the oil, of the essential oil or perfume oil on it, and just hide it in strategic places in your bathroom. And every time you enter your bathroom will smell nice. And also, if you want to put in the fix in your toilet rolls or your tissue paper, you know, in your bathroom, you can just have like a baby oil. If you have baby oil, I like to use baby oil because baby oil is kind of subtle and gentle and smells very nice. Okay, so you just have your baby oil and just drop a few drops, you know, inside the roll. And just, you know, just hang it in your tissue paper holder. So for every time you roll it, the smell of the oil, whichever oil you're using, if it's the baby oil, if it's the essential oil, if it's the perfume oil you're dropping there, once you roll it, it brings out a very, very pleasant smell and scent. Okay, I hope I've covered all the areas. Okay, I've talked about the kitchen, I've talked about the sitting room, I've talked about the room, I've talked about the bathroom and all. Okay, and always remember to clean, because if you don't clean and you use any of these things, the smell, it will not work. All of these products will not work if you're using them in a dirty or unclean environment or clean house. So you need to make sure you try as much as possible to keep your house clean before all of these products I have mentioned will work for you. And always remember to every time you wake up in the morning, if you're staying in, try as much as possible to open the windows to let fresh air come into the house. Okay, if you're not always around during the week, if you're around during weekends, try and open up your windows and let fresh air come in, and let the, you know, old air in the house, the bathroom, the room, let the old air get out and let the fresh air come in. Okay, with this, it helps to keep your house, your surrounding smelling fresh, not smelling like, you know what I mean. For every home, they have this particular smell once you enter. Because if you're staying in the house, you might not notice, you might not know that this house have this peculiar smell. But when a stranger comes or a guest comes, they just perceive that smell. To avoid this thing to avoid this from happening, always try to keep your windows open to let fresh air come in, and use all of these little products to enhance the smell of your home, of your house, so that whenever anybody comes in, or you have a guest come into your house, the place is smelling welcoming and cozy and nice. If you have learned a thing or two, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Until I see you on my next video, I love you, take care of yourself, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.